Next command of STpanel is alignment views. This command allows you set align views for selected views, for all views of active sheet or all views of selected sheet. As for previous command, let's do this. Let's align view all view of active sheet, and I can choose which align I set. Horizontal by center, horizontal by region, by base point, vertical by center, vertical by region, or default alignment. That's mean no alignment. I choose horizontal by center. As can you see, all views for this sheet alignment, and if I move one view, moving another views. If I want set no alignment, I can press the default alignment button, and all views for this sheet has no alignment. That's all about this command. Thank you.